Hey lovies, today I'm here to show you guys how I achieved this beautiful short distress butterfly locks using straight kanekalon hair. To start with, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please just go ahead and subscribe, support your sis for more video. Let's jump into the video. So to start, I'm going to prepare my hair using water, castor oil, and the leave-in conditioner. Now that my hair is fully moisturized, I will go ahead and part and put my hair into 2-strand twist. To ensure my parts are neat, I will also go ahead and use a rubber band just to secure my ends. So I will be skipping some areas of this tutorial because I don't want it to be too long. Please try and watch till the end. For this hairstyle, I'll be using 2 packs of 100% kanekalon expression hair, which cost me about £6. To achieve these coils, I used a barbecue stick and a rubber band. You can also use a straw or anything that you know that will work for you. So this is what I have, and I think I've already used straw before. It comes out great, but for now, this stick is just perfect. While I'm taking it out from the stick, I use that same stick to separate it and use my fingers to fluff it out because we want our coils to have this pattern. For installing, I take my crochet hair and I fold the hair as one side will be as twice as longer as the other, and the shorter side may look short. No worries, no worries, it stretches out so easily. So I put it on my 2-strand twist and place the shorter side with my hair. So I just have to wind with the longer side directly from the roots because I want my roots to be secured, and I also want it to cover the rubber band, and continue to wind it down. To get the butterfly look, I try to fluffy out some of the waves and make it look distressed. You don't want to make it tight and uniform. To finish it up, I put my finger where I wanted the bottom of my locks to be, and I wind it up till I ran out of hair. Okay, lovies, I will just go ahead and repeat this same process. So I'm not an expert, and it's the first time I'm putting this hair on my hair, and it really comes out great. It comes out great, to be sincere. I love it, I enjoy it, and I'm rocking it. Really, I'm really happy I give it a try, and you guys are going to love it. It's super easy. Super easy. There's nothing like magic to add to it. You can see how distressful it looks, how distressed it looks, how beautiful it looks. You can see my roots. So using those rubber band makes my roots like get secured, because like I said, I'm not an expert. Let me use this opportunity to say thank you to my returning subscribers. I really appreciate you all. And if you are new here and it's your first time seeing this video, just go ahead and subscribe, turn on the bell, support your sis, like, share, comment, share it to your grandma, to your grandpa, to your aunt, to your sis, to everyone that knows that really have interest on this type of hair. I will really appreciate it. Love you all. Please stay till the end. Bye.
wish you would make up your mind. I can tell by the look in your eyes. You're not happy with the man you're standing by. Yeah, I've been watching you and him and him and her with his wandering eyes. He's not worth your time, so come to me. I got what you need, just know I'll make you my only one, girl. I'll hold you close, never let go. I'll be your friend, do all I can. I whisper I love you, I'll hold your hand. I'll take cross my path, yeah, I can give you that good love and that will last. So place the other mister in your past. Yeah, you know it's true that you're worth more than you'll ever see. Ooh, baby, please just come to me. I got what you need, just know. Ooh, I'll make you my only one, girl. I'll hold you close, never let go. I'll be your friend, do all I can. Whisper I love you, I'll hold your hand. I'll take care of you, I'll make you smile. Look deep in your eyes, I'll ease your mind. Kiss you just right, whisper I love you, I'll make you mine. I'll take care of you. Hey, I just wanna talk to you, baby, can we talk a while? Yeah, and see what this love can do. Ooh, oh, it's just gonna be us two. 'Cause baby, this love was made just for you.